What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing what I lovingly call the DeWALT Flexvolt Starter Kit. This is the DCK299D1T1. Why do I call this the DeWALT Flexvolt Starter Kit? Because it comes with two key FlexVolt components. One is a 6 amp hour FlexVolt battery. And two is the DeWALT 20 volt, 60 volt max fast charger. Yo, if you wanted to see how fast that fast charger really is, go on over to this video here. But for now, let's get this show started. As you can see, it's made in the USA with global materials, which is very nice. These are 20 volt max tools, so don't be confused. This is not a FlexVolt hammer drill, but it can, both of these tools can run off of a FlexVolt battery because the technology within the FlexVolt battery switches the battery from 20 to 60 volts depending on the tool it's inserted on. So it says 20 volt max lithium ion, up to 4 times runtime. So compatible battery, it will run 20 volt max on a drill or impact driver. The battery will run 60 volt max on things like grinders or circ saws, or 120 volt max. Two 60 volt max batteries can run your FlexVolt motor saw. You can see on the back of the box here, it says tool warranty. You got a 3-year limited warranty, a 1-year free service, and 90-day money back guarantee. Just in case like anything happened, like, I don't know, let's just say the 887 impact driver in here just, you know, started to smoke and possibly almost caught on fire. I'm not saying that it would, but if it did, you have those warranties that would allow you to either get service or money back guarantee. I'm not referring to anything in particular, but luckily those warranties are in place. So max power, it's 820 UWO, which is the way that DeWALT rates their drills. They don't use torque, they use this UWO measurement. No load speed in gear 1, 0 to 450, speed 2, 0 to 1300, and speed 3, 0 to 2000. No load speed for hammer drilling. 0 to 500 in speed 1, 0 to 1500 in speed 2, 0 to 2250 in speed 3. Max beat per minute, you got 0 to 8600 in speed 1, 0 to 25,500 in speed 2, and 0 to 38,250 beats per minute. Speed settings, 3. Clutch settings, 11. Tool weight, tool only, 3.4 pounds. We're going to verify that. That's for the DCD996. Those are the specifications. Then we have the DCF887. It's a 1/4 inch impact driver. No load speed in speed 1, 0 to 1,000, 0 to 2,800 in speed 2, and 0 to 3,250 in speed 3. Impacts per minute is 0 to 3,800 IPM. Max torque in speed 1 is 240 inch-pounds. 1,500 in speed 2, 1,825 in speed 3. Tool weight only, 2.1 pounds. Okay, this kit has a bunch of stuff included in it. Let's get it unboxed to show you what's in there. We're gonna pull out our Power 3. Now, the difference between this Power 3 and this DeWALT kit is that the Power 3 is made in America. It's made in Golden, Colorado, and the parts are from the US as well. That's why it says made in America. It doesn't have to say made in the USA with global materials. These are sourced here in the USA. We're gonna use this knife to get this globally sourced, American-made box open here. Boom, look at that. See how sharp that was? Everything's right in this bag. My question is, why even bother with a box? Why can't you just go to Home Depot and pick this up off the shelf? Just leave it in the bag. Let's get our bag unzippered. We got our literature, instruction manual, warranty information. Boom, we'll set that aside. First out of the bag is our handle for our 996. Second out of the bag. This is, I gotta tell you, this is the DCB118. This fast charger is unbelievably fast Okay, unbelievable how cool the charger stays while charging batteries, but how cool the battery stays as well. It's unbelievable how cool that battery stays. This is good. This is a great fast charger if you're in the DeWALT line. Doesn't matter if you're just charging. You don't need this just to charge Flexvolt batteries. You can use this charger. It's a fan-cooled charger. You can use this to charge your Flexvolt, your 20-volt MAX batteries. You know, your 4 amp hour batteries. It's going to get the job done quick. I really like this charger. And it's a nice addition. And that's why when we picked this kit up, we got it for $299. The charger alone is near a $100 item, if not more. So think about that. The charger, then you're getting this 6.0 Flexvolt battery. Okay, all you got to do is lift that up, push down your button, and remove this red cover. This is for transportation purposes. That's the third thing out of the kit. But this is the deal. This whole kit was $299 at the time of the purchase. Okay, you got $100, you got $150. All right, you're at $250 already. We still have a 20-volt MAX battery in here. 2 amp hours comes with the kit. Then we move on to the belt clip. Then we move on to the belt. We got 2 belt clips. Woo! Pretty cool. Then we move on to the DeWALT 887. It's very compact. We should go over the size. But think about this. Even if this is $150. You got 100, 150, 150. I don't know. What do these 2.0s go for? $80, I don't know. But you're well beyond the cost of the kit. We got it on sale, right? We teach you how to do that here, how to get these items on sale. We publish emergency tool deals all the time, just like this. So you're going to want to smash that bell notification, that bell icon. It's going to allow all notifications, because sometimes these deals only happen for a matter of minutes. Never miss another tool deal ever again. Tap that bell and let all notifications through. But you can see, this is a heck of a deal so far. Plus, we still have to pull the 996 out of the bag, and boom, here it is. This 996, this is a heck of a hammer drill. It is big and heavy, and we're going to weigh it and give you the dimensions. I think one of the reasons for the size and the power of it is this hammer drill is a mammoth, but it does have 3 speeds to it. 3 gearbox speeds here that allow it to be very versatile. You know, whether you're setting anchors, driving screws, drilling through masonry, you got a setting here for all of that, which is pretty cool. It makes the tool a little bit bigger and a little less wieldable, but it is a versatile tool. I mean, that compact battery definitely makes it less of a load compared to the Flexvolt, but you know, it's still hefty either way. If you wanted to see this 996 do battle in a tool war, we'll link a video over here. Go check it out. This isn't our first experience with the 996. It's certainly not our first experience with the 887. You can check that out over here too. But you can see, you're getting a heck of a value with this kit. What I lovingly call the DeWALT Flexvolt starter kit. I'm going to weigh them tool only to start, just to confirm what our box says. Let's see if we can get it to. We got 2 pounds, 0.6 ounces. There you go, tool only. They're saying 2.1 pounds. So, yeah, right on the money. You're not going to operate the tool though without a battery. So let's just throw that 2.0 on there. 2 pounds, 13 ounces, so close to 3 pounds in an impact driver. Okay, let's weigh the 996 tool only. The DeWALT says on the box 3.4 pounds. So we have 3 pounds, 6.4 ounces. If you were going to run these side by side every day and you had no other DeWALT batteries, you would be forced to either switch back and forth or run the Hammerdrill driver with the Flexvolt battery. With that Flexvolt battery, you're looking at 5 pounds, 10.5 ounces. Let's see how much you'll lighten your load. by running the 2.0 battery. 4 pounds, 2.7 ounces. So it does significantly lighten the load of that tool because the Flexvolt battery itself is 2 pounds, 4.1, 4.2 ounces. This is a hefty battery. That 2.0 battery, you're under a pound with right around 12 and a half. Let me see here. 12.2 ounces. Let's get these things measured. That means breaking out the calipers. Because everybody knows, I know you've been here for a while, that I'm a machinist by day. You know what I mean? My day job is I'm a machinist and I'm an engineer. Psych! This is the first calipers I ever owned. But I picked them up for the Very Cool Gang. Because the Very Cool Gang asked me, oh, what's the exact size? What's this the exact measurement? To give you your answers, we invested in calipers. So we have at the widest point here, 2.776 inches. At the battery, we're at 3.210 inches. You see that? So the length of the tool is 8.46 inches. Total height, 11.17 inches. So if we were going to swap out that Flexvolt battery and go with our 2.0, which I would think, you know, if you didn't have some 4.0s laying around, you would probably want to use this 2.0 as much as possible. But look at that. So you're down to 9, almost, you know, about 9.5 inches. Really, that's a significant size difference. Definitely makes the 996 more wieldable and less of a load. I will say this though, with this 2.0 battery, it almost feels better balanced with the Flexvolt battery. But if you were, for some reason, you were using this tool all day long, I would still want to go with the 2.0. I just would. Another nice feature to the 996 is it has different brightness settings, or you could use it as a flashlight for 20 minutes. It has a 20-minute setting. Let's move on to 887. So there we go. We got an overall length of 5.34 inches. 2.4 inches. Does it get any? It's less tight at the rear. These rubber, I don't want to call them bumpers, stick out. So we are at 8.78 inches. Total height. I will say that this impact driver is nice and compact. I will say through experience, I want to love this 887. I think this is a great size. I like the tri-light design. I like the rubber. It almost is good for bounces and such. I want to love this tool, but if you've been on the channel for a while and you've seen previous videos, you do know that this DeWALT 887 has what's called too stupid to quit technology built into this. If you push this tool too hard, you could have an instance where it will burn itself out. It will go into limp mode and will have to either be returned or sent in for service. Now let us know down in the comment section below. Do you own the 887? Have you had that happen? Have you owned it for years and never had it happen? We want to know down in the comment section below. But I will say that this DeWALT kit does represent an awesome value for what it is, okay? And you can get a ton of work with these tools. I will say though, the handle, although it's very sturdy and steady, I wish there was more metal in the construction of it, especially where it attaches, because it would help to extract heat out of the tool itself. But this is an unbelievable value, and you're going to be able to get a ton of work done, in my opinion, with this tool set. And if you like the idea of increasing your bottom line and making more money, smash the like button, get subscribed. We do videos like this all the time, so make sure you've smashed that bell notification. Allow all notifications through. With that, I want to say we look forward to seeing all your comments down below. Let us know. Do you own this combo kit? Is this how you got involved in the Flexvolt platform? Do you like Flexvolt? Do you think Flexvolt's a gimmick? Do you think that there's no reason for having 60-volt tools that are cordless? I mean, let us know down in the comments section below. I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here, watching this unboxing, and we'll see you all on the next one. If you're watching this video beyond September 28th, 2018, you missed Impact Palooza. But we needed to get a new 887 in the house because we're having a special guest. The Renaissance man's coming down. He's looking for revenge. The two tool brands that blew out our previous two 887s was the Milwaukee, it was the Gen 2, and the Rigid Gen 5. This tool failed against those, but we have a die-hard DeWALT guy coming down. He's going to be going up against myself and King of the Crease. Will be running that Rigid. If it's before the 28th of September 2018, you have time to buy your tickets. Psych, it's free. But it will be on Friday afternoon, the 28th, so you have time to catch it. If it's beyond the 28th, 2018 of September, right, then you missed it. But you can watch it somewhere in a playlist somewhere. Go check it out. It's Impact-a-Palooza. You're gonna love it. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're gonna get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here.